Afternoon, I Poonam Mishra and Tushar Bhelkar will explain the case study of Asian Motor Limited. Here I will explain the facts of case. The Asian Motor Limited is an automobile spare part company which is there in the market from 6 decades. It was serving to the needs of by giving product delivery time to time and goods with good quality. To achieve the above said things because of the workforce is the main reason. Most of the employ with the organization for more than 3 to 4 decades. It is said that the one who joined the organization as a fresher will leave the organization as a retired person only. Turnover ratio is very low in Asian Motor Limited due to the feel of satisfaction and job security provided by Asian Motor Limited management. During the last year, scenario has changed. The number of competitors enter in the market and each one of them was well equipped with all modern technology. Two among the major 3 customers, they want the goods that are manufactured through the modern technology. Management was fully aware that to sustain the business, they have to go for organizational changes and development. The management is also ready to go for an organizational development by acquiring new machines and adopt all equipment, modern technology and allocated a big amount of funds toward his plan. The management hired an OD consultant who will work out and plan for each changes and find out the hurdles in implementing the plans. The OD consultant stated that in his report that the employee are more hurdles in achieving the target in modern plant in Asian Motor. The reasons stated by him are first, very old employee who are not much comfortable in adopting the new things. Second, chance of employees to show less interest toward training in the new machineries and as their employment period will be less due to their age. Third, the main reason it is not advisable and won't be fruitful to invest the training and development amount on those employees who are going to retire in less than 5 years. Created a pressure in the mind of employees about the job security. The union leader quitted in form of management that the place which we feel it is our own organization which will never leave us aside or where we want to serve for our lifetime become a question mark in front of us. The management assured him that we will never commit such things, we will put the employees in loss. There will be no question of job security here and we will all together will create a modern plant equipment with a latest technology at Asian Motor. Our plan is ready for that. He presented plan is front of all the employees and after listening to which the employees felt so happy and they confirmed that it is their own organization and they will serve for the company till their lifetime. Here the first question is discuss the state of mind of employees of Asian Motor before the plan is discussed with them and discuss the external factor which are determinants of this case in detail. Further the solution will explain by Tushar Bhelkar.
Hello. Now first we will start with the state of mind of employees of the Asian Motors before the plan is discussed with them. Since most of the employees started as a fresher and they were sure that they will retire from the same company, by giving them loyal service of a long tenure as their senior did before them. They were so sure of their future that they had no doubt, no questions, since they thought it will be a phased transition from their joining to their retirement. Some of them even had mapped all the job opportunities, that is their promotions. They always thought it will be a rational decision and there will be no forced resignation of any kind at all, and it gave them the future of the certainty, hence they had their moral very high. They had the highest job satisfaction. They have the highest regard for the organizational structure since they provided with the highest sense of organizational commitment, and they also had the superb job performance. But everything changed. Now, what led to the external factor come to this situation? Besides the fear, uncertainty, anxiety, the perceived unfairness, the forced decision on them, they did not realize that the product innovation, product invention and the high productivity are inevitable due to the technology. They are always interconnected. Productivity always leads to demand. New product leads to new demand, and their company was not producing any new type of product. And in the sector like the automobile one, which is always a developing market, and they happen to be in the market of the spare part, and